There was a time when I worked so hard towards something and no one noticed. No reward, no applause, not even progress that I could measure. One night I sat alone and whispered to myself, maybe this isn't meant for me. But then I remembered this. Seeds don't break the soil the same day they're planted. Growth happens in silence, before it shows in the world. The next morning I tried again. Not because I felt strong, but because I couldn't live with the regret of quitting too soon. Weeks later, everything changed, and I realized, success doesn't belong to the smartest or the strongest. It belongs to the ones who keep going when nothing happens yet. If you're in your invisible season, don't confuse silence with failure. Your time is coming. Your only job is to stay in the fight. Breathe, reset, try again tomorrow. Your future self is cheering for you.
If this moment gave you a little peace today, know that you don't have to carry everything alone. I share these quiet reminders often, for days when your heart feels tired and your mind feels heavy. I'll be here again with another gentle message, whenever you need it.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.